Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply create a regiment in Call of Duty Warzone or Call of Duty Modern Warfare, whatever. So what you want to do is just be here in Call of Duty, go to right top corner, and you're gonna see like this friend list here. Click on it, and then you're gonna see here regiments. Now click create a regiment, regiment name, my tag, I don't know. The tag you choose, so I will name it like okay. And now we create a regiment. You can like invite someone here to your regiment. You're gonna see regiment invitations, or you can manage the regiment. So happy hour, or add officers, or remove officers or kick members, or transfer ownership or delete regiment. So this is how we can do it. Thank you everybody very much. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.